Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comment. Well, it's Friday and it's the end of the month. Overnight prices are lower. We've got soybeans down about 21 cents, corn down 8, wheat down 11 cents. We've traded May soybeans below the $14 area. Yesterday, some of that was due to month-end liquidation in front of first notice, due to the fact that weekly export sales were lower than expected across the board, and also talk of potential rains across Argentina. We also note that the market saw some weakness due to weaker outside markets, and overnight stocks are lower, dollars higher, rates are higher, and most commodities are lower. As far as the news, Argentina did lower their soybean crop to 15% good to excellent, down 4 and versus 64 last year. Brazil's soybean premiums were firm on the talk of maybe China coming in and buying some cargoes. There's still 15.4 million tons of beans in the loadout lineup in Brazil, with about 4.5 million tons that were loaded in the month of February. Canadian canola oil prices are sharply lower for the second day in a row, and all of the Asian market prices are also lower. Argentina did raise their corn crop from 24% good to excellent to 30%, but still well below last year's 59%. And there was talk about, despite the fact that Brazil corn plantings of that second crop is slower than normal, soil moistures are improving. It seems like the focus now will be shifting from old crop to new crop demand. 1380 is kind of an important price on the nearby May beans, 540 May corn, and 656 for the May Chicago wheat. We did see big drops in open interest yesterday, down 12,000 contracts in beans and 49,000 contracts in corn. I think new crop demand and also weather is going to be key. With November beans at $12.13, some people feel that value will start at $12. And with these corn at $4.66, they feel that value is around the $4.50 area. For the month of February, soybean range was $13.37 to $14.43, corn $5.24 to $5.74, and wheat $6.25 to $6.83. So again, that $13.50 area is probably an important price level, and so is the $14.50 as far as resistance. For corn, $5.20 to $5.75 seems to be a good range, while wheat $6.25 to $6.80 also a pretty good range. Again, seasonal suggests that prices will tend to trend lower into the Brazilian harvest and U.S. corn plantings. We'll see if there's any change in the USDA March 9th report. People aren't looking for big changes in their numbers. And then we have the month-end acreage report. And then we'll try to put a bottom sometime in April and try to trend higher in the 4th of July, depending upon U.S. and Northern Hemisphere weather patterns. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.